Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my other hand. These nails were meant to be um like mismatched. So yeah, I'm basically going to be using the same colors but in different tones. So I'm still using the same pink that I used, but now I'm going in with a darker purple. I'm using orange instead of yellow, and I am using a dark blue instead of a light blue. And instead of doing a nude nail and painting it white, I just went ahead and grabbed the white poly gel. So I'm gonna just start off with that, and then I'm just gonna do every nail, each color that I want it to be. And yeah, so go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. Please like this video right now, right now, right now. Also, you guys, I am using rubbing alcohol as my slip solution. I know I used to swear by base coat. If you are an original and have been here since I started, I have been using base coat for a very long time because it makes the consistency way better. But I feel like for the colors that are more pigmented, it makes it too runny. So I use alcohol for the runnier consistencies, just so that it won't be like this orange is literally like super soft. It's not like so the white one was much thicker and it's not as like moist. Like this one is very moist and soft. Like they added more like liquid to mix it. I don't know, something, but it's really easy to work with and move around. So if I would have used base coat for this one, then it would have been everywhere. Because even with the alcohol, it was still messy. So it just depends on what type of product, like the quality of the product. So sometimes you will catch me using base coat, and sometimes you will catch me using um, alcohol or slip solution. I will mostly be using alcohol before I use slip solution because slip solution costs so much for a like 4 ounce bottle, and I can just go to my 99-cent store and get a big bottle of alcohol for like $2.49 or something like that. Like I'm not finna be paying $8.99, $9 for a small little 4 ounce bottle that I'm gonna have to consistently keep using. No, I'd rather have something that I can use for multi different purposes. I use alcohol to wipe down my area, to clean off my stuff if I'm not using like acetone or something, if I just need to quickly clean something, and I can use it to, you know, to do polygel and dispense my product properly. So yeah, slip solution is always the last option for me. If it comes in a kit, then I'll use it until it's gone. But other than that, like alcohol works exactly the same, you guys. So don't be trying to sit here and waste y'all money for no slip solution. There's no point. Get some alcohol. 50% works, 70% works. I use 50%. So there's that. Um what other tips do I have for you guys? Hmm. Also, the method that I used for my duct tips, these are not original duct tips. I do have a video of me adhering the square nails, the square tips, but making them into duct nails. So, I believe it was either it's one of my duct nail sets. I can't remember. Oh, it's the short classic French tip. I will put it in the cards above, or it'll be linked right at the end of this video so that you can click on it. But yeah, that is how I got these tips, because there's not really a lot of tips that are like a good duck nail shape in my opinion. I feel like that doesn't require you doing a whole bunch of filing. So I like using the square curved nails. And I will link that in my storefront. I am still going through my links and stuff in like my nail area so that I can figure out what links I have, because I ended up having to make a whole brand new what is it called, Amazon account to do the Amazon influencer program, because I was getting tired of doing my Amazon links and copying and pasting them when I could just put everything in one area for you guys so that you could find it and get the exact product that I bought, right? So, um, I ended up having to make a whole brand new one instead of using my old Amazon account. So everything that I ordered off of my Amazon account, I have to now search it again and look for it again or send the links to myself. So it's taking a little bit longer. The stuff that I was able to find, I already did link it, but there is still things that I have to add. So I will be updating it constantly. When I find something new, I'm going to be adding it. So anything that I have, you guys will have as well. You will have access to. And I know that I have been rambling, but I did previously, in the previous slide, I did just do an airbrush. I did a purple airbrush. Um, I'm just trying to bounce off the colors that I used on my other hand. So it won't be completely identical colors, but it will be like in the same, in the same um, family of colors. Just so that everything can incorporate and mesh together. And I actually like doing my nails different colors because I don't have to ever worry about my nails not matching something that I wear. Like I think that I'm that person. Like I want to change my nail color when it does not match what I'm wearing. So I typically get like short white French tips or something like that, anything like with classic colors, because I have a problem with my stuff matching. Like everything in my nail area is pink. All of my like my MacBook is black, like my phone is black. Everything has to match or I swear I would literally lose my mind. So, that's how I feel about my nails too. And these are actually really, really cute. Like I said, I did do a new prep, so I am just testing that out so that I can give that to you guys. Um, but yeah, I'm just doing, you know, little different designs. This one's gonna be some little lines. I did the yin and yang instead of doing the checkerboard on this side. Um, I believe, okay, so for my middle finger, it's gonna be a Y2K design. And then my on top of this pink one is gonna be like a, what is it called, like a lightning strike kind of sorta. Yeah, it's gonna be real cute. You guys seen the previews in the beginning. um I don't really have to explain anything because you guys are watching it, and I appreciate all of you guys so much. Again, I am doing a giveaway at 5K subscribers. Please share my videos with your families and your friends and anybody that likes to do DIY projects, like doing their nails and stuff. Today, you guys, when I'm recording, I'm giving myself a spa day. So I have my little spa bath for my feet. Um my heel's a little crunchy. So yeah, we gotta get it together. I'm doing a little foot mask, a little razzle dazzle to my feet. I'm trying to figure out what kind of design I want to do, but I want to focus on giving you guys different content, stuff that you guys can do at home, beginner friendly, and stuff like that. So, um, yeah, today is going to be a spa day for me. And tomorrow, you guys will either get that tomorrow or Sunday, since typically Sundays are the self-care day for me. It's either Thursdays or Sundays. Yesterday, I was not mentally ready for a self-care day because my self-care days take all day long, and so I'm editing my video today, and well, editing this video right now, and then I'm gonna record as I do my self care spa day, and Gonna be easy content. I'll just go ahead and upload that. It might be on Sunday, just so that I can stick with my schedules. But yeah, um, I did do this nail a spiral like I did on the other hand, but it's just pink. And because I couldn't think of anything else to do, you guys, I was gonna do a star, but I don't know. I felt like it wasn't giving star, so I just did a swirl. But anywho, I don't know if you guys like when I talk majority of the videos, but I'm done talking for right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this nail art. I am gonna do some little bit of rhinestones, like some of the same little stones and stuff that I used on my other hand in the other video. And then that will conclude this video. So go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. A little bit of 8 minutes that you guys have. And I will hop back in when I need to. Enjoy. And also, you guys, about this lamp that I posted and, well, that I shared in the Amazon Finds video, the little nail lamp, that's the glare that you see, that light. That light does not go off. You know how you have the 10-second, 30-second, 60-second timer? No, like This will literally stay lit until you turn it off. Until you click the little thing to touch it and turn it off. And I like that because when I'm trying to adhere my tips, the lights be going off on me. The the UV lights be turning off right when I need it to stay on and adhere my tips. Full cover tips, it doesn't matter. Like literally, this is the best lamp that you could get. I am just rubbing in some cuticle oil and give you guys those angles. Yes, and now they look so cute. OMG, I love them, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this finished complete set in the comments below. Please don't forget to share this video. I appreciate every single one of you. Again, my giveaway is going to be at 5K subscribers. I'm still trying to figure it out. I might just do like a $50 gift card or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Like a couple of them, not just for one. I think I want to do like 3 people or something like that. Here's those angles and better lighting. I hope you guys enjoy, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for this giveaway. I do have like duplicate of things that I can give you guys. I can see you guys that I don't use, that never been used before. So we will see. I'll just have to figure out, whenever I figure out who the winners are, ask you guys what you would prefer. Give you guys options. Yeah, I might do that. We'll figure it out though. But until then, make sure you share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.